Chapter 2 20th Century, the Age of Conflict. Part A, First World War.
Part 1.
Introduction. The beginning of the 20th century witnessed fierce competition among the imperial European nations, which led to many fundamental changes. This period is called the Age of Conflict. The period of conflicts began with the First World War in 1914. Overambition, mutual disbelief, and ill will among the European nations made the situation in the European continent explosive, triggering the First World War. The war saw the invention of destructive weapons, arms, and ammunition, along with the rise of fascism and Nazism. The positive aspects of this period were huge progress in the field of science and technology, downfall of the despotic reigns, spread of democracy, and development of internationalism. Causes of the First World War. The main causes of the First World War, which began in Central Europe in late July 1914, included many factors such as the conflicts and hostility between the great European powers. The root causes are as follows. Imperialism of the nations. With the development in industrialization, every nation in Europe felt the need to expand their colonies externally, mainly because of the following reasons. The belief that having a huge empire was prestigious. The search for cheap raw materials and ready markets to sell furnished goods. Thus, the European nations moved towards the Asian continent, where they had their presence since the 16th century, and also to the undeveloped African continent discovered during the second half of the 19th century. The European nations realized the financial importance of these regions, and hence the cutthroat rivalry among them for imperial expansion in Asia and Africa made them fight several battles. This situation led to the First World War. Aggressive nationalism. The European nations believed that the greatness of a nation depended on the number of colonies under its control and its military power. This belief made the nations overambitious to expand their imperial rule for national pride and fame. So, in a bid to outshine each other, the nations began aggressive nationalism. Nations like Germany, Russia, and Austria tried to capture new areas out of Europe. As a result, aggressive nationalism increased international conflict. Militarism. Aggressive nationalism by the European nations made them increase their pace in the arms race. They encouraged the use of science and technology to manufacture and store large number of destructive weapons and ammunition. Although they believed that war was the only solution to their problem, they justified that the war equipments were just for peace and safety of the nation. The European nations kept their military power confidential, thus making European diplomatic politics explosive. Chapter 2: 20th Century, the Age of Conflict. Part A: First World War.
Part 2:
Diplomatic groupism of European nations into two groups. Bismarck, the then Emperor of Germany, had a strong foreign policy. In order to develop Germany's military strength, he made military education compulsory and ensured that the country was well equipped to keep itself safe. He initiated friendship with Austria, which was defeated by Germany in 1866. England and France had been enemies for centuries. Taking advantage of this situation, Bismarck annexed the provinces of Alsace and Lorraine that belonged to France. He took care to see that England and France stayed enemies. For this, he decided to establish friendly relations with England and not hurt England at any point. He took advantage of the dispute between France and Italy and made the Triple Alliance Agreement, also called the Triple Entente, among Germany, Austria, Italy in 1882. England and Japan signed a friendship treaty in 1902 to ensure security to its trade and colonies in Asia. France was threatened by Germany's power and strategies. Forgetting their animosity, England and France decided to team up against their common enemy, Germany, and brought about an agreement in 1904. In 1907, Russia and England signed a friendship agreement. Thus, at large, the entire Europe got divided into two groups, with Germany, Austria, Italy in one group and England, France, Russia in the other. The policies and strategies of Kaiser William II. Kaiser William II ruled over Germany since 1888. Under his aggressive colonizing policy, Germany evolved as a powerful industrial nation. To increase trade and capture new colonies, Kaiser William developed the naval force and set up new naval bases at Caroline, Palau, and Mariana Islands that he purchased from Spain. In order to attack England from the Eastern Front, he got rights from the Emperor of Turkey to build the Berlin-Baghdad rail route. But he was unable to complete it due to strong opposition from England, France, and Russia. He rebuilt and repaired the Kiel Canal, which helped the German warships to enter the North Sea. These aggressive developments increased the conflicts and hatred between England and Germany. Political complications of the Balkan area. The Balkan area, the East European region under the reign of Turkey, attracted the interest of the European nations due to its geographical importance. Acquiring this region could give access to Asia via the Mediterranean Sea. So, France and England got attracted towards it to safeguard their Asian colonies. As the majority of the Balkan citizens were Slav by race, Russia claimed its interest in acquiring it too. This resulted in a conflict between Austria and Serbia. In 1908, a political revolution broke in Turkey. Austria took complete advantage of this situation and captured Bosnia and Herzegovina, leaving Serbia behind in the race. Bulgaria, too, declared itself as an independent country. All these developments resulted in major unrest in the Balkan region. Immediate cause. On June 28, 1914, the Archduke Francis Ferdinand, the heir to the Austrian throne, and his wife were shot dead by a Serbian extremist at Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia. This assassination led to Austria-Hungary declaring war on Serbia. Chapter 2. 20th Century. The Age of Conflict. Part A. First World War.
Part 3.
Progress of the war. Following the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand, Austria imposed unacceptable demands on Serbia, which were to be fulfilled within 48 hours. Russia decided to support Serbia with a view to capture the Balkan area. On receiving military support from Russia, Serbia denied these demands and Austria declared a war against Serbia on July 28, 1914. In the beginning, Russia assisted Serbia and Germany supported Austria aggressively. Later, Germany's aggressiveness made France and England join the war from the Russian side. As per the Triple Alliance, Italy was to support Germany, but it joined the war from England's side in 1915. Germany largely used submarines in the war strategy against the English nations. One such German submarine attacked the American ship Lusitania, killing several American passengers on board. America warned Germany to immediately stop the attacks. But Germany did not pay heed to this warning and kept the submarine warfare on. This caused America to declare a war against Germany on April 6, 1917. The American involvement was a turning point in the First World War. The Allied nations now started to block the German forces. The Bolshevik government that came into power after the Communist Russian Revolution signed an agreement and withdrew itself from the First World War in August 1918. Under the influence of strong oppositions, the newly established democratic German government surrendered as per the 14 points put forth by the American President Woodrow Wilson. Thus, on November 11, 1918, the First World War came to an end. Effects of the First World War. The First World War was universally destructive and resulted in huge damage and destruction of human life and property. Its effects were felt in the political, social, and economic fields too. The First World War witnessed the death of 1 crore soldiers and lakhs of civilians. Europe was left devastated. The future life of Europe was affected as most of them who died in the war were the young generation. Industries in Europe collapsed, and this worsened the economic conditions of other countries as well. Shortage of essential goods led to increase in prices, which affected the daily life of the common man. All other countries except America and Japan faced economic crisis. America and Japan were economically secured, and America emerged as a superpower. It led to the end of the royal rule in Russia, Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Turkey. New countries of Poland, Finland, Romania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, and Yugoslavia were formed when the defeated nations and their empires were divided. Several treaties were signed to maintain world peace. Analyzing the causes and effects of the war, the Paris Peace Treaty was signed on 1919-1920. The League of Nations was set up in 1920 according to the 14 points of Woodrow Wilson. The Versailles Treaty proved humiliating for Germany as the guilt for the war was laid on Germany's aggression. Germany was made to pay a huge sum of money as war losses. This sowed the seeds of the Second World War.